Porsche appears once again to be playing it cool and conservative with the exterior on the next generation 911 based on spy shots so far. Inside it's a different story, as the above spy shots reveal. The dashboard has been thoroughly revised, and there are a number of interface changes. One of the really big design and interface changes is the addition of more screens, and increased prominence for the infotainment display. In the instrument cluster, only the tachometer is a traditional, physical gauge. To either side appear to be screens canted toward the center. They still display round dials for information, though, with the speedometer and an unidentifiable gauge on the left, and multifunction gauges on the right. To the right of the cluster is the infotainment screen, which has displaced the center air vents to become the highest item on the center stack. It also seems to blend into the instrument binnacle more, similar to designs from Mercedes-Benz and Alfa Romeo. A horizontal panel divides the screens from the rest of the controls lower on the center stack. The first thing below the panel is a series of piano key buttons for traction control, hazard lights, and a few other functions. Next in line are the center air vents, which then meet the center console where the climate controls are. They use toggle switches for adjusting temperature and fan speed and are flanked by two knobs. These knobs look like they may be volume and tuning knobs,